If you're not paying attention, life can fly by in a blink of an eye. But if we're able to capture events and slow things down, upon closer inspection, life begins to reveal another world that exists of immense beauty. Then we see what life really is. It's love.
My favorite thing about Bethany Beach would be it's a little more low-key than most other beaches. It's not crazy like, I don't know, crazy busy boardwalk or anything. I think the people here are a little more relaxed. It's more of a family atmosphere.
I started coming to Bethany with ancestors probably about sophomore year of high school. Again, it's been on and off, but every year when we're here, have a great time. I just come to the beach, have a good time, keep everybody company. When somebody needs to talk to them,
Now as the sun sets and light fades, I am grateful. I am humbled and I am excited to see what tomorrow brings. We are all creating this world we live in, so let's create something beautiful. One big happy family. Never stop creating. Yo! I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm in the studio with my man Juicy, also known as Justin Hart. He's the one responsible for all the good poetry that he wrote in the video, and he's also my go-to man for everything else.
Yeah, baby.
Next month, I'm going to Japan for 2 weeks, and in February, I got a trip planned to the Lofoten Islands and Iceland back to back. So stay tuned for some epic content. Check out my man Juicy. Follow him on Instagram. He's got some crazy stuff going on. And I'll see you in the next one.